Hi guys, this is Mrs. Petey again, and we're going to look at the coordinate plane this time. So you should have watched the other video, which was naming or plotting points. This one is going to be naming points. So actually writing down what the ordered pair is for a point. We're just going in the opposite direction. Again, we have our coordinate plane, we have our x-axis, which runs to the left and to the right, which is our first set of directions. We have our y-axis, which goes up and down, which again is our second set of directions in our coordinate, or our ordered pair. Okay, an ordered pair, again, remember, is made up of, we have the set of parentheses that always starts it, we have an x value to tell us how many spaces in which direction we're going in the x-axis, and our y value, which tells us how many spaces in which direction we're going in the y-axis. We're always going to start from that origin, or that bullseye, that center, 0, 0, when we're working to name a point. Okay, so the first point that we're asked to name is the point A. Again, we're always going to, when we go to name a point or write down the ordered pair for it, we're always going to put it inside a set of parentheses and have a comma in between the two sets of directions. So first we're going to have the x value, and then we're going to have our y value. So first we have to look at our x-axis. Here's the point A. Okay, and we're actually looking for where this dot is right here, not where the letter is. So we're going to figure out how we're going to get there from this origin, or this center point is what that ordered pair is actually telling us. So I first have to go for my x-axis to the left or to the right to get lined up with this point. So the first thing I have to do to get lined up with that point A is go to the left to my -6. So my first set of directions for my x value is going to be -6. From there, I have to go up, because now I'm using my y, which is my up or down, and that set of directions is going up to the +5. So I'm going to put a +5. So my set of directions, or my ordered pair for point A, is going to be -6, +5. I went to the left 6 and I went up 5. Okay, B. Let's switch colors here. B is going to be, we're actually looking for this point right here, even though that dot's really large. So first we're going to go from our center, we're going to go to the left, from our origin over to the left. So on our x-axis, we're going to the -3. So my first number, or my first part of my set of directions, is -3. Then for my y, I don't have to go up or down. I'm actually right where I want to be. So because I'm not going up or down at all in my y direction, or my up and down, I'm going to put a 0 here. Okay, let's switch colors again. Let's do C. Here's my C up here. This green dot is representing my C. I'm going to put a smaller blue dot right where we're actually going so you can see it a little better. Again, I'm going to start from my origin, or my center. My first piece of information has to be my x-axis. It has to be how many spaces I'm going to go to the left or to the right to get lined up with that point. I have to go to the right, or the positive direction, to the 3. So my first set of directions, or my x value, is going to be 3. From here, I have to go up in the y direction, because y is up and down again. I have to go up to the 4. So my second one is going to be +4. So the ordered pair, or the set of directions to get to point C, is 3, 4. Okay, one more. So let's go with green for this one. Okay, so now we're going to do D. D is down here, and again, this is the actual tinier little point we're looking at. So here's my set of parentheses, my comma to separate my two. Again, we need the x and we need the y. So we're going to start from our center. We're going to go to the x-axis direction, so the left to right first. We have to go to the right for this one. To get lined up with that, we have to go to the +3 again. So this is going to be a +3. In my y direction, my up or down, I have to go down this time, so I'm going down to the -4. So my second set of directions is going to be -4. So that is the point 3, -4. We always have to, when we're naming a point or we're plotting a point, that first set of directions is always the left to right on the x-axis in the x direction. The second one is always the up and down for the y. Okay, hope this helped, guys.